This is day 4 of my honeycomb project in a jar. It's a very cold day. The high today is like 58 or so. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see bees, a few bees at the bottom of these jars. But what looks like what they're doing is, I pulled this jar out and you can see the propolis right there. So they're propolizing these jars to seal everything up. And I did put a container of sugar water there to help them, encourage them to build out the comb. And we'll see if that helps. But it doesn't look like they built actually any comb. It's hard to tell. There's a little bit of moisture on the jars, but doesn't. I think they're just propolizing the jars to the board. This is day 4, and it's been cold, so when it's been warm, it's only been warm a few hours. But I'll keep you updated. This is day 5 with my honey jar experiment with the bees building a honeycomb in the jars and trying to get down here, but down there they have started to build comb. So this is day 5, and that's the progress. They've also propolized most of the jars to the plywood board I built down there, so we're making progress.